Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. Today we are going to show you an AI software tool to use for your YouTube script and generate realistic sounding voiceovers. As you can see right on this page here, all you need is to go to this website called www.resample.ai. So once you are here, the next thing to do is let's click on the pricing right up here. And as you can see right here, you can get up to 100,000 characters for just $30 a month and up to 1 hour recording audio time, which is great. But if you want it for free for 30 days, all you need to do is drag this to the left hand side and you will get it for free for 30 days with 2,000 characters and 2 minutes of audio recording. So once you sign up, you will land on a page looking just like this. The first thing to do is to click on New Project right here, right on this page. Right on this page, we have to name our project. So for this video, we are naming it All About History. And for the description, we are just going to put in a study on history. And right here, make sure you don't click on Make this project public. And once you are done, click on Create right here. And you will land on this page right here. From here, click on New Clip. So in the title, we're just going to put in the same as we did. So I have put everything together, so I will just copy and paste. So the next thing to do is to put in some text about your topic or title. The thing is that in most of the other AI softwares we have on the market, all you need is a little title and they will do all the right thing for you. But for this particular software, you need to put in at least 2 paragraphs of text to give it a hint of what you are writing about first. So for example, if we go to the right hand right here and click on AI text generation, we are going to come up with this error message right here, as you can see. And again, before we move on, let us come right here and choose a voiceover by clicking right here, and you can choose from any of the drop-down voiceovers of your choice. For this video, let's choose Noah. Okay, done. So all we need to do is to put together some text about our topic first. Just make a simple write-up about your topic. As you can see, that is what we did, and we are going to copy it and paste it right here. And once we are done, we will go back to the right hand side and still click right here on the AI text generation and let it load. And as you can see, it has automatically generated an additional text for us right here. So the next thing to do is to come right over here and play the text to listen to them one by one. And once you are done with everything, you can just go down right here and click on this button and click on download full audio or download separately. This is very easy to do, guys. So once you download your audio, you can then use it in your video editor and make it yours. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.